YouTube, it's Dimitri, and today I'm going to talk a little bit more about the 8.5 amp cultivator Greenworks 11-inch. I believe this is only purchasable, this size at least, at Lowe's. I think there's like other sizes on Amazon. They should be similar. I think this one's a little bit more powerful, but in general, it's done a great job. So let me explain why I like this here. So one easy way, when you rototill like roots, for example, like I do in the garden here, it does great in these beds, like raised beds, because you can easily lift it in and out of the beds. But the thing I want to show you is that you're going to get roots stuck on here, and you don't want to have your hand in here, so you should probably unplug this. So we'll do that real quick. And then the best thing about this is how easy it is to clean these, the tines, so the little pieces down here. These are the pins, the D, I think they're called D-rings or D-pins, some type of cotter pin kind of thing. But okay, but you can slide this ring off and then pull the pin out and set this down, and then the tines just slide off. And remember, the extra piece here, so it's flat on one side and it sticks out more on the other, these are going to face each other when you put them back on. But if you just slide it off, you can clean off the tines real quick, set this aside, pull off the next one, and it has a little felt spacer. Set that aside. You pull this off here and see all the roots. You can just quickly pull off the roots. And if you're like me, I ran over a bunch of like plastic netting at one point, and it usually binds up on here against the machine. You can't see it as well here, but I was able to take a bunch of Bermuda grass roots and that netting and stuff that I ran over, and then you can just slide them off. And they usually come off in like a big ring if you have them. But as you can see here, it's easy to clean, and then to put it back together, right? Just slide this one back on. This is the flush side. So this is tine A, if you look at the packaging. Slides on. Don't forget your felt kind of ring here or washer. And then again, this is gonna be tine B. And again, the two thick parts are gonna face each other, so you have maximum spacing between the tines. And then you slide this back on. And then again, you take this, take the pen, push it through the hole at the end, and then slide the ring over so you make sure these don't come off. And then you're good to go. So this is just a quick product review on this, why I really like it. I'll show you some pictures here of what it does. It works well in these beds. So I have raised beds here, and they're full of kind of like sandy clay kind of in the bottom. And then I have like some nice compost I've built up over the years on top. But this does just an amazing job of getting in, quickly kind of rotating and tilling up that soil, making it very porous so it's not compacted anymore over the winter. And then I can plant things such as potatoes and garlic and peppers and tomatoes quite easily in it. So anyways, just want to do a quick follow-up on this. I'll put a link below as well, so if you end up buying this, how to assemble it quickly and easily. So anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, until next time.